So you want to know how to connect your online office time into your Google Calendar. So I've got all my classes in here, different colors represent different classes. If I switch to the week view, it's a little easier to see. So today, this is the day I have a math department meeting. This is my period 3 live help session, advisory check-in. Then I have period 1 class, and these are all linked. The black and the red are linked to my classes. And before I show you how to do that, just so you're aware, if I go to my, just a regular class, nothing here for the calendar, but if you go to classwork, there's an icon here for Google Calendar, and if you click on that, it brings you to a calendar, and every student is enrolled in that calendar. So anything that you put in for assignments will be displayed in there. If I just show you a class actually with assignments, all of these assignments that I have in classwork for week 13, or April 13th through the 17th, those will just be displayed in the calendar based on their due dates. So how do I do that? All I'm doing is I set these times. If I want to, I'm going to make a dummy one here. If I want to go from 4 to 5, I just drag my mouse to 4 to 5, and then I can come here and say sample appointment. And then choose your calendar, and your class calendar should be here. I'm putting it in 326, my geometry classes. I can choose that. You can add a description, but what I would do is you can grab the if you don't have this link here, I know I showed my earlier class, there's a link here for Google Meet. If you haven't turned that on yet, you can always find it by going to the gear, and then this link here is your link to your Google Classroom. But you could put a little description there. I will be available. You just put that link there. I just pasted it there. You can invite guests if you want to. There are more options here as well. If you wanted to get a little bit more detailed, you can have it repeat. I did that. One of the things that I liked was, because the green gold schedule is set up the way it is, you can have this. You can pick what days you want these to repeat. But I'm just having it go through June 12th. I'm just setting it to that. It goes done. Again, you can put whatever you want in here. If you wanted to attach files and stuff, you could do that as well. And when you hit save, you'll notice that it turns black, just like my other geometry classes are all black. Hopefully that helps. If you need a hand, give me a call or send me an email. Have a great day.